Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily hide updates on Gmail app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once you open your Gmail app, you can notice that updates tab right here, and it can be annoying for some persons. So let me show you how you can easily hide updates from your inbox. All you have to do in that case is just hit right here at 3 lines icon and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on settings. Once you are at the settings, hit at inbox customizations and right here at the very top tap at inbox categories. And now you are able to enable or disable that updates option. If it's enabled, just hit at that switcher to toggle it off. Then don't forget to hit at done, and as you can see, updates tab is now hidden. In the same way, you can hide promotions, social and forums tabs from your Gmail inbox. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Gmail tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.